Hello everyone and welcome to my channel MiTutorials. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to display data in a table when a value is selected in a slicer. If the value is not selected in a slicer, the table needs to display blank or no data. For example, I have a slicer over here called as country, and if I don't make any selection from this particular slicer, I don't want any data to be displayed over here. But if I make any selection from this particular slicer, I want the data to appear in this particular table. So this is what I will be teaching you today. So let's get started with this tutorial. So the first thing that I will be doing here is I'm going to create a new measure. I'm going to call this measure as filter check is equals to, I'm going to say is filtered. Is filtered is basically a function which returns whether that particular column is filtered or not. It says whether it's a true or a false. So let's pass in the column name over here, which is country. That is what we have in the slicer over here. I'm going to commit this particular DAX over here, and then let's bring in the filter check into a card to see what is the result of this particular measure that we just created. So it returns true over here. If I clear the filter, it returns false. Now let's make one change to this particular measure that we just created. We will wrap this around with another function called as integer. This will basically convert the value true or false into 0 and 1. If this is false, this will return 0. If it is true, it will return 1. So if I make any selection in the slicer here, this will return the value as 1. Let's go back to our filter selection over here and then bring in the filter check into our filters on this visual area, and then let's change this to is 1 and then click on apply filter. Now what happened is, since it is filtered, it is showing the value as 1. If I remove the filter on this particular slicer, this will say 0, and then I will not have any data being displayed on this particular table. I can make multiple selections as well on this particular slicer, and this will continue to show the data. But if I don't have any selection over here, the table here turns blank or it displays no data. Yeah, so that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you. You learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.